After having a sumptuous dinner at Dampa Tomas Morato, we decided to delight our sweet tooth at Wildflower Restaurant, also located just 4 minutes away from Dampa. As you enter, you can see the pastries and ice cream flavor options that guests can order. They have different selections of flavors as well as pastries, and they also have some goodies that clients can also purchase upon visiting the restaurant. And of course, my toddler's eyes are already glued to the ice cream flavors. We visited Wildflower at around 10 p.m. and it's a Sunday, and we're already expecting that there are many guests inside. However, this restaurant is too spacious and hindi naman kayo magsisiksikan sa loob, so you can expect that there will always be space for your family to enjoy.
Mamaya, bibili tayo. Mas gusto mo dito kaysa dun sa Dampa.
The interior design of this place is really nice. They have a high ceiling and yung spaces in between tables is medyo malayo, so hindi kayo magkakasiksikan. It's a nice place for office girlies who want to work, and the ambience is really giving. Aside from the area where we are seated, meron pang extra space dito sa loob which can accommodate more guests. Let's get to their menu. They have a wide variety of food options to choose from. They have breads, appetizers, salads, soup, pastas, seafood, and steaks. They also have desserts and different coffee options. But for us, since we already had our dinner at Dampa, what we went for here are their coffee and cake selections.
Hi guys! Nandito tayo sa saan? Sa Wildflower Cafe and Bakery. Kakatapos lang namin kumain sa Dampa and dessert muna tayo ngayon. Nag-order kami ng ano tong in-order mo, Babs? Chocolate salted chocolate? Salted chocolate cake, and then yung tres leches ba yung basa doon? Basta, masarap siya. Tsaka ice cream. And ice cream. And also ice cream for Murmur. Chocolate ice cream. We also ordered some coffee, cafe mocha. Yun lang muna. Bye. Kain muna kami. Gusto na tikman yung tres leches. Sige, masarap ang cafe mocha, pero yun nga, hindi siya ganun kainit. Pero masarap naman siya. Lasang-lasa mo yung pagkakape niya. And, yun, yung tres leches cake, masarap talaga. Sandali, bebe. Yung digin na. Yeah. Yan ang mga gusto niya. Kaya nga. Babs, ano masasabi mo sa food sa Wildflower? Wala ka namang kwentang kausap sa podcast. Walang mapala yung viewers sa'yo.
Reviewers ba?
Meron ah. Naka 90 na yung video ko sa YouTube. Mahirap yun.
Okay naman.